Hey guys, we are going to look at something new year in a year. I we but this like her for used to click on your one Facebook and should you to see something pop up on your phone. Find that option. Okay, once we find it, we need to click on that option. After clicking, there should be an option of that section creating on the new Facebook page. The how to create it of Facebook page, to see the process and full video and watch to how to create Facebook page in your new Facebook page created your phone Facebook page. The how to create, to see full video and watch to one step and create the new Facebook page your mobile तो this year. ठीक है, and next year 2020 do another next video to create to how to create new page Facebook page. ठीक है, तो wait and how to create Facebook page one by one step full video watch and one by one step complete and after one by one page complete and see the video and full videos watch full video watch video and full watch video to how to create. So here guys, we are going to look at the something to sometime and in new year we put this like you for use they click on the once you like click it should be sometime pop up on your phone. Find that option. Okay, once we find a need to click on the option. After clicking, there should be an options and that the say creating we need creating should the see the creating and create the should be to how to create new pages to see the full video and how to create new video new page to see that no see to look at pages to see the three pages for my video my Facebook page old but this time create how to create new Facebook page. So see more click to see your come to page see come page Facebook to see more click and after to see pop up on to see the page open click and click the and I before options before I tell you about the next step. I want to know what you think terms and what you meet. We wondering why you are watching this video plus a get of let's for topics for the video and your problem at get solved too. So don't forget to the comments new where we were two options and how to first to created personal peoples we needed to set up public pages. We look and get confused and in the up to say sections the sections and personal profile. So see insert to selection and their profile we needed to choose to public page. After selecting her we will clicking on the next option. So we click and next and then need to create a new video and to click and create the see the click to new pages to for Facebook how to create a new page for your Facebook page. So wait and see the create option. See the create option click and come to two type pages. Two types or your Facebook page is personal profile public page. ठीक है, तो your video to how to to complete to Facebook page to money complete how used to for public page you used to how to create your mind is to Facebook page to YouTube how many selected की Facebook to how many earn how many how to earn in Facebook Facebook how to earn in Facebook Facebook से पैसा कैसे कमाएं. तो मैं बता देता हूँ फेसबुक पेज टू हाउ टू गिव योर मनी योर वीडियो and to see you the video and give you to Facebook earn money from your video. तो not a personal profile use, new profile or पेज प्रोफाइल, ठीक है, तो पब्लिक पेज, तो टू यूज टू नॉट अ पर्सनल प्रोफाइल, वाई इज दिस इज ओनली फॉर यूज टू पर्सनल, पब्लिक नॉट, योर वीडियो इज नॉट अ पब्लिक, ओनली फॉर public, only for use to your personal friends and followers, only watch your personal profile. And public page is to all video is trending, your video is public and video is most view to after to Facebook is uh, impression for another people's, and this is a public pages. So see to create and sections option is the best of public pages, and next come click and your name is any, तो your any Facebook page says to your video या YouTube channel, your YouTube channel name, तो same name this sir, and two combined and Facebook page we earn and YouTube earn. You're not a YouTube earn interested, only for Facebook earn, तो your name is best suggested, one time name is suggestion, no any time mind create and change, no, one time name created and one time only. तो my channel name is the mobile guru, this is my favorite. This category, which category your video creating your YouTube, या which type your video, personal blog, food service, product and service, art, music, band, no, and electronic, only for science and technology. My video is science and technology, तो see the science school terms, science and technology, science and tech है, not a science and technology, see only for science and tech. तो create and category give it, category give, and second create, this page is create and after setup, to see the create content and forms and promotion, for promotion your product or service, no, create content and connected the with fans, मतलब आप एक फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज प्रमोशन योर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस, आपका जो सर्विस सेंटर है या प्रोडक्ट है उसके बारे में आप अपना इससे क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, बट नहीं, अब तो वीडियो अपलोड करना चाहते हैं तो क्रिएटेड ऑफ कंटेंट एंड फैन कनेक्ट विथ फैंस, आपके जितने भी फैंस हैं उनसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो सेकंड ऑप्शन इज अ बेस्ट ऑप्शन एंड कंटिन्यू, क्लिक एंड कंटिन्यू। और यहाँ दिस इज जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ फाइनेंस सेटिंग ऑफ दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। योर बायो में क्या लिखना चाहते हैं, आपका वेबसाइट, ईमेल नंबर, मोबाइल नंबर, योर लोकेशंस एंड very very hours, so I'm not any your see the full video, and I am not a train prodi demo for your how to Facebook page completed, how to Facebook page created, so only for demo page. So after or your see the to one by one step clear and paste and click on last option next, and this see the this option is last one in it not created, and see the page notification your profile and marketing and promotional note ऑप्शन ऑन करना है, ऑप्शन नहीं ऑन करना है, सिर्फ एक को करना, पेज इंफॉर्मेशन क्रिएटिंग का भी ऑप्शन सिर्फ होना चाहिए, सिर्फ ऑन नोटिफिकेशन ऑन होना चाहिए, ऑन होना चाहिए, ऑन होना चाहिए, ठीक है। और दिस टाइम इज अ स्विचिंग अ प्रोफाइल, योर प्रोफाइल इज ऑप्शन इज ऑन and your phone is your Facebook page is created, the see the my Facebook page is created. So see how to create your Facebook page, and very very easily and very very step by one by one step and clear to how to create a Facebook page. So see the to check and see this type is a Facebook, very easily to Facebook page created and very no time, only for 2 minutes, and see the Facebook page is created, very very easily create and Facebook page. So see the to your understand for how to create a Facebook page, the see the all the your profile pictures added and your cover photo तो second is a bio, your bio. फिर other is a link and your websites and content business content is these options and action buttons and invitation friend likes your pages. Write a welcome post, write a welcome post, मतलब आप वेलकम पोस्ट भी आप लिख सकते हैं. तो सी द हाउ टू क्रिएट इज दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड 2 minutes is this to see the 2 minutes and complete a Facebook page completed and 2 minute is no wait and phone Facebook page is created. So very very easily to Facebook page is created. So see the to how to page Facebook page created. So let's many this video, yeah, another to have to how to create a page video. So thank you for watching and welcome again to back.